Make a great choice today with the 2020 Model X. The Tesla Model X offers a sleek exterior design that's sure to get people talking. It also provides the perfect combination of utility and performance. The Tesla Model X takes electric cars to a whole new level. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.